you know, you bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and use your weave. Oh, my. Welcome, angels. Hi. How you so? A minute since my black seed oil video, and I peeped that y'all like that video, right? Tune in, keep up to date with me, whatever you gotta do to follow me and be aware that I'm posting. We'll be posting back to back like Lethal Weapon, child. My first honeymoon to Jamaica, my second honeymoon to Egypt, what I'm doing about keeping in shape. I changed my hair. That's one of the most noticeable things. What I'm doing to survive these lockdowns. Go watch the video on the black seed oil being a cure, because to me it really is. It was so powerful that I started to use it not only just for my skincare, but to boost immunity as well. When we went to Egypt, we learned that King Tut, who I believe had medical issues, buried himself with jars of black seed oil. They were found around his tomb. It'll cure anything but death, and it seems like it was good enough for the ancients. It was so good that they tried to bury themselves with it. My weight is about the same. In totality, I lost 101 pounds. I gained good muscle back, and I was teeter-tottering at around 133, which is normal weight for my height. I'm up around 144 now, because I was on this journey in my head for a while, like, I want to be 160 pounds at 5'4". No, child, you finna be overweight if you 160 pounds at 5'4". So I'm glad my body gained a small amount of weight, 8 pounds. So I could do, get myself back in order, and that 8 pounds will be melted. So another reason why I gained 8 pounds, and that seems like a lot to me, because from my previous video, I told you guys I broke out from TKB, and this is actually the first week, what week? The week of November 2nd to the 8th. I'm actually feeling a bit better. I had a miniature wannabe breakout, but I believe because of my body butters and what I've been doing inside of my body, I was able to bounce back. And I bathed, child. I might as well be a fish now, but the doctors, I remember when I was a child, the doctors would tell my mom, oh no, keep her out of the tub. That makes no sense. I don't know how I would survive without bathing. I think I'm going to do a tour of LA Fitness. I'll try to vlog that. They built a new one around my way. Man, you got to bob and use your weave during these lockdowns, child, because you can't do the same thing you used to do. And if you in Philly, child, your brick and mortar might just get looted. So, honeymoon to Jamaica. Yeah, right after we got married, we went to Jamaica. We got to see his family. We went off the resort. I'll be posting a video. I have a whole schedule, child. November the 11th. I got to actually drive through Jamaica. We weren't confined to the resort. A little issue with the room. I thought I saw roaches, but they said they were just bugs. Whatever, switch my room. Like, Rio and Ocho Rios. Like, you're supposed to be a resort. It was beautiful, but then when you get in the room, you have like little creepy crawlies. Like, we're not dealing with that. Don't do that. Don't do me that. We went to the Towns Market in Mobay. Yeah, we went from Ocho Rios, where our resort was, and his family picked us up. My father-in-law drove at 150 miles an hour. This is where he gets it from. It was interesting because I did see a lot of American-based companies in Jamaica, Century 21, Remax. But the fact that real estate was just popping out there. The trip to Egypt happened in December. So we went to Jamaica March of 19. And then we went to Egypt December of 19. And then we got locked down. It was a 15-hour flight. I knew you had to have a visa, so I just went and got one online. They allowed me more freedom to do stuff like that versus my husband, who has Jamaican passport, I believe, because I have the U.S. passport. So I was able to get my visa. Then when we got there, our group of people, they had to go to another section to get their visas while I'm just waiting around like, I got my visa. What do we do now? We did not have to get shots to get into Egypt. I wasn't going to be getting no shots. I specifically said, no, I'm not going to a place that needs vaccinations, but I will prepare myself ahead of time by bringing black seed oil. I'm bringing activated charcoal, not only to brush my teeth with, cha-ching, but also to, you know, if something happens where we have a poisoning, it pulls things out of the body. So I had activated charcoal, of course, my black seed oil, we were popping every day. We are plant-based, so we didn't eat any foreign meat. The knowledge we learned, oh my God, I'm going back. I don't even care. Like, the knowledge we learned and the figures on the wall looking like us, guys, if I can do my part to get as many of us to Egypt as possible, oh my God. And the people who were there, the Egyptians, the current Egyptians, they were so enamored by us in a good way. The children thought me and another young woman I was with were celebrities, and they wanted to take photos with us. I'm like, no, I'm not a celebrity, but they want to see more people like us. I found out that Egypt is a dream trip for a lot of people, and we got to experience that in our youth, and it was intriguing to see. You know, I was prepared because I didn't get vaccinations. I was ready with my own bug spray that I made, my own body butter that I made, my soap that had the same essential oils to repel bugs. A combination of things I did plus a mosquito net allowed us to be the only people who were not getting ate alive by bugs. We got to see a show. We got to go drive ATVs in the desert. I almost wiped out and died. My favorite part was descending into the pyramid. That, oh my God, I can't even describe that. I'll show you the video though. That was definitely one of the highlights. Stay tuned. I want to hear from you. You all mean so much to me. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, hit notifications, follow me, message me. Stay cute when you message me because I might have the time. And I'm just looking for good energy here. If you have questions about what I'm doing to keep my skin clear, you know, I'll be sure to put enough content out where you can just go back to my videos. Until next time, peace.